Well, we got a tornado warning, so we got to go get the chickadees in, namely Wendell. And this is how I do it. We're going to see where they are. I'm not sure where they are. We got the lambs next door. Come on, chick. Come on. Come on. There they are. They're way up there. I don't know if you can see them. They're not supposed to be over there, but they're on our Amish neighbors. Come on, come on. Show them a piece of bread. Come on, come on. Let's go, come on. Wendell, come on. Come on, there he is. They gotta cross the creek. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. They're a comedy crew. Come on. Come on. Hey, look what I got. Look what I got. Come on. Oh, he's flying. That's the first time I've seen him fly. Oh, here he comes. So let's get him up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, chick. Come on. Come on. Got the lambs making noise. We got some tornado thing coming. I don't know what's gonna happen, so we gotta get them in. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We got 13 of them, so we gotta count them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Come on, come on, inside. There they go. Go on. Get in there. Get in. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10 over here. Come on. Come on. It's starting to get windy. And we're going to do a final count. There's another couple over here. Come on. Come on. Wendell's over here. Gotta get him into the back. Come on. Come on. This is the hard part. Come on. Come on. Come on. We got a stray over here. Let's see which one this one is. That's Lucy. Get in the house. Get in there. Get in. Go. Go on. Get in there. She's always last. Get in there. Come on. Go. Go on. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. So you do. Oh, we got one over here. Come on. See, I got to guard the door. Come on. Oh, she sees food. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Okay, so we got one in the coop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Shut the door on them. Hunker them down. I gotta count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can't figure out how many we got here. Oh, we got an egg though. I don't know if he's gonna let me get it. Uh-oh. Get 2 eggs in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. All right. Let's leave Wendell to his clan of women. Hey! What do you want over here? Oh, I gotta shut the door. See you later, Wendell. Lucy. Shut the door here. Sometimes he kicks the door.